Okay, we're going to go to autodesk.ca to get your software while you're quarantining. I'm going to click on menu over the side. We're going to go to downloads. We're going to free student software. We're going to get started here. Choose your country, Canada. Educational role, you are a student. Institution type, your high school. Type in your birth date. Yep, I'm really that young. Hit next. Type in your first name, last name, your RDPSD email. Confirm the email and come up with a new password that you'll remember. Then hit create account. Make sure you have your ID handy. You will need that for the next step where it asks you for confirmation. Then you can start using your educational version of Revit to do all those wonderful things. All right, have a good day.